There's the right side manifold from the Blazer. There's been the problem all along. That nut was busted off. Have it showing, but everything moves. Shouldn't be doing that. Got it soaking, but those are pretty crusty. Get a hammer on that or something. It might even be a metric. That's a 9/16, that kind of wobbles. Let me go grab a metric wrench. Here it is, actually a 14 mil. And our breaker bar here. That's what I thought. The cap was going to be too long. I thought I had it on there earlier. Maybe I had it on this one. Is this a different size? Or is it just that crusty? It was just that crusty. Good luck getting that one back off, huh? Well, awesome. It was starting to turn. Great, now I gotta get that undone. Luckily I have a wrench. Awesome. So, I gotta go get this taken care of and then I'll be right back. Well, good news, the other one, the head just snapped off, but now it's stuck in the other socket. So now I got two of them I have to get wedged out. And I got this thing, got the camera set up all wrong for you guys, I apologize, but so now we got to get those studs out. I'm going to hit them again with some of that oil that I got. Verify I got the right size of these. If not, I can just take them back and replace them. They told me that, but there's itsy bitsy pipes. So that flange looks good. Let's get you adjusted. Ooh, more scrap metal, Kevin. Just do this live. So should probably get some heat on those. I got a new torch. Heat up the manifold and see if I can get those to bust free. This is the 4th of July. What's the 4th of July without some fire, right? Alright, let me do a little bit of cleanup here first. These do not want to budge. So we're just, the vice grips are just spinning on the stud. Yep, that one busted off too. Two to drill. And see if we can go for 30, yeah? fix. Oh, let me turn this down. Oops. Sorry about that, YouTube. Rocking up Charlie Daniels here. Oh, that was a pain. That was a pain. We had to drill, get the tap and die set out right over there, clean the threads all out. It was, all total. Probably worked on it for a good hour and a half yesterday, and maybe, I don't know what time it is, maybe an hour and a half today, so we're 3 hours into it. But the old Harbor Freight tap and die set sure came in handy. Drilled real carefully and was worried that the tap would make a new hole, because I couldn't get all the old fastening out, all the old material, the old studs. But it took a little bit of work, and it chased the old original threads, so we're good to go. I can put this bad boy back in. Hopefully the rain holds off. Today is the 4th of July. Lots of booms going on out there. Looks like it's raining to the south of us a little bit, but let's see what we can do. Well, had to run back up to the store and get new O-rings. The ones I bought earlier were the wrong size, a little too big. But it just dawned on me, I haven't got that driver's side undone yet. I hope those studs don't snap off the way these did. If we did, we'll pull the manifold. I've got the manifold gaskets. I'll have to get another stud kit. But they're open till 8. I don't know what time it is now. If I don't get to it tonight, run up first thing tomorrow and get them going. Just if I have to order them, then I have to wait an extra day. But oh well. So as of right now, the plan is get this on, get the other side ripped apart, the what's left of the pipe off the manifold. Hopefully everything goes well, and then get that Y pipe on tonight. I hope. So 4th of July, it's going to get noisy and smoky here, so, and it's a little damp. As you can see in the back of the car there, we got water. But it's not looking too bad over that way. That's where the water's coming from. Although it's coming from the north. Coming down from Canada, eh? Can't see the trees, but yeah, we'll make do with what we can and see what we can get done. One step at a time. Back in a flash.